Hello, my name is Eylül, and today I'm going to Hello, I'm Eylül and I'm going to make a review about a book called The Tree by Sarah Laws, which was published in 2014. So basically, 4 planes crashed on the same day in 2012, right after each other all around the world, and just before dying, a passenger on one plane records her warning to the others about the boy survivor. When people find out that the only survivor of the crashes were three different children, they start arguing about religion and aliens and coincidences, and they separate into groups and just throw evidence at each other. And the children's psychologist twists completely after the crashes, and they start to make strange things happen, and after that just stranger things keep happening. The theme is everyone has a different point of view and they should be respected for that, because everyone does have a different thought about how the children survived and they are humiliated for that. One of the important topics in the book is trust. The readers find out that none of the people we see are what we think they are. Lies are all around us. If I could summarize The Tree in 2 words, I would say it was unbelievably boring. It was the worst book I've ever read. It was so empty and there was no action. The book literally told us the entire family history of all the 3 children. The characters were just too many and too unnecessary. I just finished it to find out what happened in the end. Were they aliens? Were they the 4 apocalyptic horsemen from the Bible? Or was it just a coincidence? And do you know what I found out? That the book had an open ending. I hate open endings. They force you to think, to use your imagination. No, I want to learn what exactly happened in the end. Anyway, then I read the reviews, and it made me feel slightly better to see that everyone hated it. Like, only the professional reviewers liked it, and they were saying things like, the result chain of events between the major storylines is tense. Over the course of 6 months, everything escalates, and Lotz does a fantastic job stoking the tension for the reader. It's grim, all too real, and impossible to tear yourself away from. 6 months. Maybe everything does escalate a little bit, but 6 months of boring family information, texting couple and religious people is too much. Plus, people who liked this book liked the ending mostly. I didn't find any compliments about the 6 months. And I now want to share a review I liked very much. This person and I have shared feelings. The title is The Worst Book Ever. I loved the beginning, so creepy, but the rest of the novel was repetitive and boring. I wanted to know more about the kids, but instead I got chapter after chapter of hypocritical pastors, Japanese chat rooms, and political corruption. Yes, that's all I was trying to say. Like, if the book would focus on the children, it would be much more interesting. That's what I imagined when I bought it. Like, they would put the tree in a room and the children would start doing strange things. And finally, I want to share my favorite passage from the book. The tree will be controlled by alien forces working on their minds and bodies, and we will see this showing itself in time to come. The children have been implanted, and they are watching us to see what we will do. There can only be one explanation. This quote just summarizes the book in my opinion. It shows that everyone can have a different opinion on anything, and they shouldn't be outed for that. They should be respected as equally as the other solution makers. And I also enjoyed reading theories, because back then I was curious about what was going to happen. I would not recommend this book to anyone. I learned the reason for their weirdness, but not really. And it was painful to see that it was never going to end. And as for the rating, since I wanted to use the number 3 for that one, I'm going to evaluate it out of 10. I give the tree 3 out of 10 crashing planes.